sound waves with wavelengths 5 meter and 5.5 meter respectively, each propagates in a gas with a velocity 330 meter per second. We expect the following number of beats per second. Now please listen here. I am talking about the first wave. Now I am talking about the first sound wave. First sound wave, they told. Wavelength of the first sound wave is 5 meter. Wavelength is represented by lambda. Wavelength of the first wave, wavelength is represented by lambda. Wavelength of the first wave is lambda 1, that is given as 5 meter. These two sound waves are traveling or propagating in the same gas. Velocity of sound is the same. Velocity of sound wave is represented by capital V, that is given as 330 meter per second. Now, we know one formula, V is equal to F lambda. V is equal to F lambda, velocity of sound wave. Now, I am talking about first wave, F1, lambda 1. Lambda 1 comes to denominator. V by lambda 1 is equal to F1. F1 means frequency of the sound, first sound wave. F1 is equal to V, velocity of sound wave in the gas. V is 330. V 330. Lambda 1, wavelength of the first sound wave, 5 meter. Lambda 1, 5 meter. 5 1 ja, 5 6 ja, 5 6 ja. F1 is equal to 66 hertz. It is the frequency of the first sound wave. Now, I am talking about the second sound wave. Second sound wave. I am talking about the second sound wave. Wavelength of the second sound wave is 5.5 meter. Wavelength of the second sound wave is 5.5 meter. Velocity of sound in the given gas is 330. Velocity of sound in the gas is 330 meter per second. And one more thing. Frequency of the sound wave, we need F2 is equal to how much? F is equal to V by lambda. F is equal to V by lambda. F2 is equal to V by lambda 2. F2 is equal to V. Velocity of sound in the given gas. Velocity of sound is 330 meter per second. Velocity of sound is 330. Lambda 2, wavelength of the second sound wave 5.5. 2 is equal to 330 divided by, I am eliminating the decimal point, 55. After the point 1 digit, I am writing 10 in the numerator. 11 5 is 55, 11 3 is 33, 0 0. F2 is equal to 300 by 5. 300 by 5. 5 1 is 5 6 is 0. 60 hertz. Now please listen. F1 we got 66 hertz. F2 we got 60 hertz. They are asking number of beats per second. Nothing but difference in frequency. Number of beats per second. Number of beats per second. Nothing but difference in frequency. More value of frequency minus less value of frequency. F1 minus F2. F1 minus F2. F1 66. F2 60 hertz. Nothing. 66 minus 66. Number of beats per second is 6.